Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Welcome to a new chapter in AI interaction. Let's learn more about transparency policy. Today, we're exploring the Zen AI Governance Transparency and User Rights Policy. This framework is essential for understanding AI's role in our lives. The primary aim is straightforward. Users engaging with AI systems should always recognize when they are interacting with AI. They also deserve an understanding of how AI functions and impacts their decisions. Transparency is foundational. From the outset, every AI interaction should be clear. Users must comprehend AI's role in decision-making, its functionality, and the oversight in place. Let's first discuss the principles of transparency. Here are 5 essential aspects. 1. Users should always be aware of AI's role. 2. Information must be presented clearly and simply. 3. Communications accessible via web, voice, chat. 4. Timely disclosure prior to user engagement. 5. Disclosures linked to system and data. All communications should be accessible across various formats, such as web, voice, and chat. Users must receive disclosures in a timely manner, prior to engagement, not afterward. Disclosures should relate back to the system's records and data. Next, let's consider what disclosures should include. Every user-facing AI must prominently showcase a transparency notice. This notice includes the system name, its purpose, human oversight procedures, data sources, and user rights. How do we ensure AI output explanations are comprehensible? Every high-risk AI is required to incorporate an explanation type and a user-facing explanation summary. This assists users in understanding how AI generates outputs in simple terms. User rights are of utmost importance. Users must be informed of AI usage before any engagement. They can request explanations and contest AI decisions. Additionally, they have the right to access and manage their data. Transparency channels should include consistent information buttons on web interfaces, spoken notifications for voice systems, and footer statements for emails. Finally, compliance with regulatory frameworks is essential. Zen AI governance adheres to the EU AI Act, ISO, IEC 42001, and UK guidelines to ensure users are both informed and protected. In summary, the Zen AI Governance Transparency and User Rights Policy empowers users. By promoting clear communication and rights, AI becomes more understandable and approachable. Do you feel better informed? Share this video and discover Zen AI Governance's dedication to transparency and user empowerment. Welcome to a new era where understanding AI is crucial in our daily lives. Today, we'll delve into the Zen AI Governance Transparency and User Rights Policy, designed to strengthen the relationship between users and AI systems. Its main goal is to ensure users are aware of when they interact with AI, along with providing a clear understanding of how AI functions and influences their choices. Transparency is the cornerstone of this policy. Fundamental principles emphasize the need for users to be well informed about AI's capabilities while ensuring access to straightforward, clear language. This leads us to the significance of accessibility. All communications must adapt to various formats like websites, voice assistants, or chat interfaces. Such inclusivity ensures that every user can confidently engage with AI technologies, regardless of their preferred medium. As we dive deeper into this policy, it's important to highlight the critical components defining its transparency principles. First and foremost, users must always know AI's role during interactions. This guarantees their awareness of how and when they engage with these systems. Clear communication is vital. Information provided should be straightforward and free of jargon, ensuring all users can fully grasp AI's functions. Moreover, accessibility is crucial. The policy requires information to be available in formats catering to diverse preferences, including web, voice, and chat. Timeliness is key. Disclosures about AI usage should occur before user engagement, allowing informed choices instead of providing details afterward. Finally, all disclosures must link back to the system's records and data, creating a transparent accountability structure. These principles empower users and bolster their trust in AI systems they encounter daily. The transparency notice is a crucial component of user-facing AI. It should clearly convey the system's name, purpose, and any human oversight mechanisms in place. Users also need to be informed about data sources and their specific rights regarding that data. This transparency fosters trust and encourages informed engagement with AI technologies. Users can be confident in understanding how AI systems operate and how to effectively exercise their rights. This foundational clarity ensures that personal engagement remains user-centric and supportive. Now, let's examine how to ensure AI outputs are understandable for all users. When utilizing high-risk AI systems, providing an explanation type and a user-facing explanation summary is mandatory. These components demystify AI's intricate workings, helping users comprehend how outcomes are derived in accessible language. Through these initiatives, the Zen AI Governance Transparency and User Rights Policy creates an empowering atmosphere where users are informed and can confidently navigate AI technology complexities. With transparency at its heart, this policy not only meets regulatory needs, but also enhances the trust and safety users seek in their AI interactions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.